Hello, this little presentation is going to introduce software called Jamovi, and we're going to focus on how we get set up to use it, and then just look around a little bit and see what it offers. So Jamovi is an open access software package, which means it's not proprietary and therefore usually doesn't cost anything to install. Its primary purpose is to engage in statistical data analysis. It is based on the R coding language. And if coding is not your thing, don't worry, you don't have to. But R has become kind of the gold standard in a lot of different circles. And it is a good idea to learn R, and that's recommended. And finally, Jamovi allows different add-on modules to enhance its capabilities. It comes with a pretty stripped down and basic set, but it gets you pretty far. To install, you visit jamovi.org, and then you're presented with two choices. You can click to install it on your desktop, and it will automatically detect your device. Designed for Linux, Windows, Mac. You can even install it on a Chromebook, but it's a little tricky because Chromebooks really just are another version of a Linux installation. If for some reason you have difficulty installing it, you can always opt for the cloud option, and then you can just run Jamovi through your browser. And it costs a little bit of money to do that. Last I looked, it was about $8 a month. But there's also a free version as long as you're willing to accept the terms of the free version. So once it's installed and you open it up, you'll see a window that looks like this. Over here on the left is where data goes. Typical kind of spreadsheet, looks a little bit like Excel. And then over here you just see the version number of the software, which is important because it tells you, if you're watching a video or something, what version the video has versus what you're using. Can tell you, maybe explain why there are missing packages and that sort of thing. If you click on the exploration button, choose the descriptives, you can see this window here. And then on the left is your analysis window. You can begin adding variables here to do descriptives, and then the results show up automatically on the right. Once you have your results, if you right-click on them, you have the option to copy those, which is nice if you're writing a report because you can just paste the tables into a Word document. You can duplicate the analysis in case you want to do the same thing over again. And you can export the objects. You can also click to remove the analysis object if you decide you don't want to keep it. Once you have it installed, you'll notice this modules button over in the right corner. If you click that and choose the Jamovi library, then you'll see this box, and you can see the installed packages, the available packages, and then for some reason if you have something that's not in the library, you can sideload it through the third option here. But in the available packages, you can just click on any of these and you can install them. Once they're installed, they will show up usually as another option on this ribbon at the top of the screen. Sometimes you won't see that. It'll just add features to the existing objects. And some of the items are also just data files, so things that you can analyze. Once you're all set up, you're ready to get going, so you can just start analyzing data. Thank you.